How to fix if SIM card contact is not showing on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contacts. You'll find Contacts by searching in top. Search for Contacts and then click on Contacts. You'll find this kind of page pop up. Click on Organize, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll find Import from File or simply click on Restore Contacts and your contacts will be restored. After restoring contacts, you can simply restart your phone and all your contacts will be shown after that. That's how you fix if SIM card is not showing contacts in OnePlus device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.